Now I'll discuss exercise 7.3, question number 3. Two sides AB and BC, two sides AB and BC, and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ and QR and median PN. Sides PQ and QR and median QN. Median PN of triangle PQR. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, median AM is equal to median PN. Show that first question, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. First question. Second question is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. We need to prove this. Solution: it is given that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and median AM is equal to median PN. It is given. First question: in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, ABM and PQN, AB is equal to PQ, it is given. AM is equal to PN. AB is equal to PQ, AM is equal to PN, it is given. BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR, this is also given. BC is equal to QR. Now we have to make half of that. Half of BC is equal to half of QR. Half of BC gives us what now? Here AM is a median is a thing called median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. That is a thing called BM is equal to MC, QN is equal to NR. Median divides the opposite side of triangle into two equal parts. So that is a thing called BM is equal to QN. BM is equal to QN. These two will be equal because AN and PN are medians. Medians bisect the opposite side into two equal parts. So we can conclude triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN by SSS congruent rule. AB is equal to PQ, AN is equal to PN, and BM is equal to QN. This BM is equal to QN. So by SSS, three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle. We say those two triangles are congruent to each other by SSS congruent rule. So this is the first question. So by using this one, we can take angle B is equal to angle Q because corresponding angles. Angle B is equal to angle Q, CP, CD, corresponding parts of congruent of triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, already given. BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR. This is also given. Angle B is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle Q, already proved by CPCT, by CPCT. Therefore, two sides and one angle of one side, one triangle are equal to two sides and one angle of other triangle. Then we say these two triangles are congruent to each other by SAS congruent rule. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS congruent rule. This is the solution about third question. I will discuss fourth question from exercise 7.3. BE and CF are two altitudes of a triangle ABC. BE and CF are two altitudes of a triangle ABC. Using RH congruence rule, prove that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is given that BE and CF are equal altitudes. It is a thing called B is equal to CF. These two are equal. In triangle BEC, and CFB, in these two triangles, angle BEC is equal to angle CFB because perpendicular here. This is perpendicular equal to 90 degree. BC is equal to BC. BC is common for these two triangles. And B is equal to CF. B is equal to CF. It is given. These two perpendiculars are equal. Therefore, by seeing these, we can conclude angle triangle BEC, and CFB. These two triangles are congruent to each other by RHS congruent rule. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, angle ECB, this angle ECB is equal to FBC. FBC. These two triangles will be equal by CBCD. And angle ACB is equal to ABC because AB and AC are equal, are opposite sides of equal angles. If B and C are equal is the method. AB and AC are opposite sides of equal angles, so will be equal. It indicates what? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So angle ABC is equal to ACB. It indicates what? AB is equal to AC, opposite sides of equal angles. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. This last question from exercise 7.3. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. AB and AC are equal sides. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. AP perpendicular to BC. To show that angle B is equal to angle C, we need to prove angle B is equal to angle C here. Very simple question. It is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC, with AB is equal to AC, and AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC. It is given. To prove angle B is equal to angle C, these two angles are equal. We need to prove. In triangle ABP, and ACB, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. It is given. AB is equal to AP. AP is common for these two triangles. And angle APB is equal to angle APC. APB is equal to APC because this is a perpendicular bisector equal to 90 degree. So angle APB is equal to angle APC, that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent to each other by RHS. Congruent rule. Therefore, triangle APB is equal to triangle APC by RHS rule. Hypotenuse and right angle. Here also hypotenuse and right angle and one more side of a triangle are equal. Therefore, it indicates what? Angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B and angle C are corresponding angles. By CBCD, corresponding parts of congruence of triangles, angle B is equal to angle C. This is very simple question. This is the solution.